I'm looking for insights on how to do fulfillment, find new customers, and just generally find a better way of doing things in my agency.
You know, I'm looking to really learn as much as I can from Chad about scalability and being able to implement a team, and more importantly, an outsourced team.
My name is Nico Nagnostopoulos. My agency is socialproofpr.com.
My name is Jason Stevens and I run Wildcard Digital.
My name is Mark Helton and I own a software company called Hot Prospector.
Zalmi Benamou here with Social Booster Marketing.
My name is LaShawn Hill and I own Warriors Marketing.
My name is Maya. I own a content marketing agency.
Brian Zarowski from Cleveland with Growth Gen Media.
I'm Greg, I'm from the UK, and my name of the agency is Home Trade Social.
Met all my expectations, it actually exceeded it. I was struck by the authenticity of Chad and Angel, and they offered a lot of value.
Just having the experience of the DashClicks environment really helped break down those nerves for me, and having the group environment of calling was, I think, something that helped me turn a corner.
It was a little nerve-wracking. I've never cold called before, actually. I've had people cold calling for me and stuff, but that was cool. It was nice to break the ice. Definitely a different feel for that side of the business.
Seeing the operations from a different perspective gives you the opportunity to, rethink things and decide, am I doing things the way that's going to be most profitable, or are there some tweaks that I can make? And I definitely like what DashClicks is doing.
Biggest takeaway was the clarity of what to implement in your agency to really scale it, and everything is so clear and understandable. It's amazing how how much you can actually get done and learn and understand within one day.
I knew I was going to expect like a lot of growth, and I was expecting to try and learn some new processes and stuff since my agency's pretty new. What I received was exponential compared to what I expected, though. I did not expect a 10% of what I received today.
I think the biggest one was selling without selling, giving away something for free on the front end, and you're really kind of giving them value instead of selling to them. That's huge to get the ball rolling.
So Chad and his team are just incredible. They're pretty much sharing all their secrets, revealing everything. They're really giving you a system and putting it in place. You're applying it in person, and it's something that works. I would say any digital marketing agency, social media marketing agency, new business owners, all of you could benefit from this.
You don't need funnels, you don't need paid ads, you just need pure hard work, grit and hustle. With this strategy which he teaches you today, there's no reason you can't succeed. It's just pure mindset and hustle.
This should definitely be your next step. Most importantly, you're going to get an opportunity to take action while you're at the event live. So I highly recommend that you get out here as quickly as possible.